Racing season's back! Whew. The car is here. The metal is there. There's no body. We gotta make a body. Boy, I cannot wait for 2018's racing season to start. Oh, we're ready to build stuff. I got PMF Industries back on the car, C&E Containers, Rod Fry Trucking's back on the car. We got some stuff to do, so let's get into it. Alright, first night with all our new sheet metal over there, and we got a bunch of body done. We got the door and the quarter over here, and then we got the door on the other side, and we just got to do the quarter on the other side, and we got to just fasten everything together. So that's going to be the harder part, but we're going to do it all with Zeus's this year and make it super easy for washing and all that, but that'll be for another day. Today's was real productive, just me and Nate working out here, just without Dad, just doing what we do, build the body. Being productive for our first real night of working. Well, second real night of working of 2018. About dang time, isn't it? So, yeah, here we are. I think I'm gonna be done for the night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh, hey there. Another day, some more work to be done.
All the way, or
45. Alright, so I'm starting to think this vlog is going to be the never-ending vlog. We're fastening the body on, and it's been about 3 days since I started making this video. But that's okay, because this stuff takes time. Rome wasn't built in a day. It's a race car, it's not Rome. But it's pretty close. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is I'm going to remake this piece of the decking, and that's just a piece that was broken last year, or not broken, but bent up a lot, so just making it up so it looks nice again. Alright, so this lovely piece of equipment right here is our brake, and it takes the sheet metal and breaks it at a 90-degree angle, or 45-degree angle, or whatever degree we want. I'm actually going for a bachelor's right now, so I'm just going to stick this in here and let's see what happens. Alright, so in this garage we tend to use a lot of hand tools, and that means everything takes like 6 times longer than it needs to. But that's okay, because it's a lot more satisfying when it's done. Feels like I've done something with my hands today. It's at this point where something industrial or even just any kind of better tool would help, but instead I'm going to persuade this fold into a complete crease with just my persuader here. You know what's really cool? That's really cool. All done. Alright, we're gonna start the car for the first time this season so we can change the oil and do all that. So let's do this. Alright, you ready? No fuel pressure. How about we get out of here?
That's transmission fluid in the cylinder.
Alright.
What?
Alright, I'm gonna get back to doing this.
Right there with you. When you let your fake just
Alright, so tonight was awesome working on the car. I got so much done. This body panel is now mounted and ready to go with the plastic. The rear one, it has all the holes ready to be mounted, but we need some more Zeus springs and some more Zeuses to make that work. So we're gonna have to stop over at a good friend's tomorrow and pick those up, or either tomorrow or maybe Monday. On the rest of the car, we changed out pretty much all the fluids, and the car actually ran for the first time. Smoked out the whole garage, and yeah, that was all that transmission fluid burning off. But just leaps and bounds tonight. Now it's going to be on to like mounting the nose up in the front, making the quarter panels, and then the wrap. And that's pretty much all we have to do to get to racing. And I don't see that as taking too much longer. We'll be ready to go here pretty soon. Hopefully it's by next Saturday. It's not too bad, but I think we're gonna get there. All right, looking good. Thanks for watching this one, guys. This has been Joe Lusk. I know this has been a long time coming, and I've been working on this vlog for about a week now, just assembling all different kinds of A-roll, B-roll, whatever. So I figure I might as well cut it off here and, I don't know, at least make something and upload it, right? So, anyway, yeah, it's been a long time since I've seen you guys in the road garage, so here we are, and we're getting close to race season, so, alright. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. We're getting close to 1,000, and I'm very happy about that. Didn't know we'd get this far, and not this fast, especially. So, anywho, thanks for watching, guys. Take care.
Where did we put